Just a few hours ago, OpenAI announced the new GPT-4o model. Their new model, as you can see here in this presentation, 2 times faster, 50% cheaper, 5 per higher rate limits compared to GPT-4 Turbo. I don't know if you watched this presentation, it was pretty impressive. It's like, it's like talking with a real person now with a real-time voice with ChatGPT, but in ChatGPT, even the free version, this will be available in a few weeks. So they will roll out this new AI model in the next weeks. But there is an AI tool where you can already use and test GPT-4o. If you want to know what I'm talking about, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm talking about ZimmWriter. As you can see, just an hour after the official presentation, ZimmWriter version 10.254 now includes GPT-4o. So we can take a look at how it works writing an article, because obviously in ZimmWriter you can't use it in its full capabilities, but you can use it to write articles. If you want to watch all the capabilities of GPT-4o, you can go on the official OpenAI page, and here you can see all what this new AI model can do. It's cheaper and it's faster in comparison with GPT-4 Turbo. This is the ZimmWriter changelog. As you can see, there is this new version with added GPT-4o, but there is another important update, and it's in this version 10.250, because as you can see now, you can also use Grok and Anthropic AI models. So this is Claude. Now you can use Claude 3 with API into ZimmWriter, and with this API you can use the Meta AI model, Llama 3, and at the moment you can use it for free, and I'm talking about the 70 billion model. This is the updated version of ZimmWriter. If you already connected your OpenAI API key, there is nothing to do, and when you open one of these options, for example the bulk writer, as you can see here in the AI model writing, you can now choose GPT-4o, you can choose Claude 3 in its 3 version, Opus, Sonnet and Haiku, or you can also use Llama 3, the 70 billion parameter version. I will use GPT-4o for this example, so we can see its quality when writing articles. And for the sake of this example, I will write something really quick and easy without scraping the web. This is the title, The Power of Mindfulness Meditation in Daily Life. I will choose some options here. Automatic H2s, I enabled all these options here. First person singular, I choose to have FAQ with short answers. The AI model is GPT-4o. Use auto style, automatic keywords, and I'm ready to generate this article. So I start the bulk writer and confirm. My article is ready, and in fact it's faster than GPT-4 Turbo, so let's take a look at it. First of all, let's take a look at this information, because it's saying model used GPT 3.5 Turbo for some parts of the article, and GPT-4o estimate cost of 11 cents, I will say, for 2000 words. Now, as always, I pasted this article into a markdown editor so you can read it better, and obviously while I scroll this article you can read it by yourself, maybe stop the video so you can grasp the quality of GPT-4o. It's the first time I'm reading it, so let's take a look together how this article is. This is the introduction. We have some key takeaways. Understanding mindfulness meditation. I try to scroll quite slow, so if you want you can read it. benefits for mental health, and again these 3 paragraphs, enhancing emotional well-being. With the 2 paragraphs we also have a table here, boosting focus and productivity, with some H3s inside because I choose this option in ZimmWriter, enhanced concentration skills, reduced mental fatigue, and let's go down, improve the task efficiency. There is a bullet list here. I don't know, maybe it's quite similar to GPT-4 Turbo as quality, mindfulness in everyday activities, and again starting your mindfulness practice with another bullet list here. We have FAQs with short answers, and we have the conclusion here. And this is the article generated with GPT-4o. Again, with ZimmWriter you can only write articles, you can't use advanced options of the new AI model. You will be able to use them in ChatGPT. But anyway, having this new AI model in ZimmWriter makes it even better because this is cheaper than GPT-4 Turbo. It writes very good blog articles, so this is a very good addition and really fast, I have to say. So kudos to Matt Zimmerman. But again, as I said before, you also have this Llama 3 70 billion parameters model, and at the moment this is absolutely free. You can connect your Llama 3 APIs in ZimmWriter. If you go here in the option menu, set up text API non-OpenAI. By going to this page, you can find the link where you can activate your Grok's API. You can generate an API key, and as you can see in this billing section, the free beta is free at the moment. Maybe it will not remain free forever, but for now you can use it for free, and obviously you have some limits in speed and requests per minute, but you can generate articles even with this Llama 3. So let's try to generate the same exact article but with this Llama 3 AI model. The options are the same. Let's start generating this article. In this case, as you can see, the cost is slightly more than 1 cent, and the reason is some parts of this article are done with GPT 3.5 Turbo and the rest is done with Llama 3. So keywords and maybe meta description, I don't know which parts or which prompts, but there is a little use of GPT 3.5 Turbo, so this is why you are using some OpenAI credits. But it's really cheap because, again, this Llama 3 at the moment is free. People say Llama 3 quality is comparable with GPT-4, so let's take a look at this new version of the article, and maybe you can go back into this video and maybe do a comparison between these two articles. This is the introduction, key takeaways, mindfulness in modern life, and reducing stress and anxiety, scrolling down, unlocking inner peace, cultivating inner calm, finding inner harmony, and again improving mental clarity. We have a clearer decision making. We have a table here, reduced mental fog. It's not bad at all, this article. Sharper focus, and again boosting mood and happiness, enhancing productivity, navigating life's challenges. I will say it's even more detailed than the one before, if I'm not wrong. cultivating compassion and empathy, another table here. We have mindfulness in everyday moments. We have the FAQ section with short answers and the conclusion. Okay, so if you want, you can again stop the video, rewatch both articles and decide which one you prefer. The first was GPT-4o, the brand new AI model from OpenAI, and this is the Llama 3 model from Meta AI. So as you can see now in ZimmWriter, you can use all these AI models. You just need to choose and obviously connect your APIs. Just a quick look at the prices for ZimmWriter. As you may know, now you have three options: the monthly one, the yearly plan. This is the lifetime deal, and as you can see, it's a limited time deal. This will not last forever. Okay, that's it for this video about GPT-4o and ZimmWriter. I hope you found it useful. If so, as always, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want, you can click here and watch my previous contents. Thank you very much for being here, and I'll see you soon in the next video.